What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about Foam Cannon Pro from MJJC. We will unbox and talk about the details on Foam Cannon Pro today. So before we do, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and drop some comments. So let's get to it. For those who are not familiar with MJJC, they happen to be a professional manufacturer of foam lens and foam cannons. They also supply exterior, interior, machine and tools. All has to do with detailing, and you can check them out in the link description below. So let's start with the unbox of Foam Cannon Pro. So in the box we got what I believe is to be the instruction manual and the details. Here we got the suction tube, and there's an orifice, which is I believe a 1.1 mm orifice nozzle. We'll get to that later. We got a connector, and we got the bottle here that's labeled Foam Cannon Pro, and this is a nozzle with the label MJJC there. First up, let's talk about the nozzle. Now what's unique about this nozzle is you have the flexibility of turning this 360 degrees. So you can actually foam vertical or horizontal. And every nozzle from MJJC is pre-installed with a 1.25 mm orifice size here, as you can see it. But they also supply together with the smaller orifice, which is the 1.1 mm orifice nozzle. As written there, if you can see it, no need if your pressure washer is over 110 bar. So every MJJC foam cannon comes also with a type of connector. This is an M22 that goes to a 1/4 inch quick disconnect. They also supply for connectors of other types of pressure washers. So that all depends on the type of pressure washer you use. And here is also a suction tube. And what's unique about it, it has this weight ball. And last but not least, the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro bottle. Well, even though the label says there it's up to 1 liter, but you can actually fill up a little bit more than that. And what's unique about it is the flat surface, which you can just stand like that and it won't tilt over easily. So guys, basically that's it, the details about the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. Do stay tuned for another video which I will be reviewing this foam cannon soon. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and drop some comments. And I would like to thank MJJC for sending in this Foam Cannon Pro to me. And you guys, look forward to the future videos. I'll see you next time. Assalamualaikum.